Hi guys, getting completely sidetracked here. I was looking for stuff in my stock, one of these little breadboards to build a little circuit that Slider 2732, lid motor, and the Milky Way Outcast have been working on recently. It's just a little oscillating circuit, I think we can call it. Very simple. Transistor, capacitor, and a couple of inductors. And an LED, obviously, so it flashes. So that's what I was looking for. It just happens to have a 2222A transistor sitting on it. There's also that one with a 3904 transistor sitting on it. I don't remember what these were, but found them. Got a supercapacitor there and some random items there. I got a sneaking suspicion that those are solar light controllers. Can't actually read them. Never mind. Like I said, getting totally sidetracked. I found these. Did these a long time ago. They were what would you call them? Night lights, whatever. Would have had a couple of button cells in the bottom to run them, but I'd converted them to run off wireless transmission. It did cross my mind to try them. I mean, originally I'd built a pancake coil for them to sit on, to try them on one of these, which I happen to have in my stock, wireless charging pad. Tried that. It worked briefly. Far too much power coming out of there, so it blew up the LED. Blew up, killed it. And then I put it back in there, so I don't remember which is the dead one and which are the live ones, but never mind. Going through a bit more stock. Oh, that's just random transistors. There's more than transistors in there. There's some lovely big ones. That's some diodes there. I used to do quite a few little circuits. Haven't done many for a long time, which is why I wanted to have a go at Slider 2732's little job. Anyway, going through all that, I found this little box marked kits. Had a look in it because there was a few bits laying around, and I thought, I don't read Chinese, so I didn't actually know what it was. Bottom of that bag's open, which is why they're laying in there. But logic tells me that's an LDR or light dependent resistor or whatever. And got a couple of transistors there. And a circuit board there. 3-volt in, something out. And I thought, yeah, that's probably motion sensor in effect. Used to get them in lots of cheap things like birds that start singing when you walk past them and that sort of thing. In Poundland, used to be loads of them. Haven't seen them for ages. Anyway, so I had a look through my old videos, see if I could find the original video. 2017. I did the video on it, and interestingly enough, I had a few problems with it. One of the things was the LDR, which I've just dropped in there again. The legs were dirty and corroded, and I can see these are, and it wouldn't take solder. So anyway, I thought I might just put one of these together just for something to do this afternoon. that the sun has come out. It's been raining most of the day, but I'll have to remember to clean that off before I put it in. That one goes there. A couple of transistors there. 1K resistor there. 100K resistor there. Power goes in there. And I was thinking, also laying on my table over there, there was this, which is just an LED that switches on. That switch is obviously a bit iffy because depending on how I hold it, depends on whether it stays on or not. So I've got an LED there. There's obviously a couple of AAA batteries in there. So that's my 3-volt supply. And if I put the LED in the output, then when I wave my finger over there, the LED should come on. So I think we'll do that. We'll use that as the supply. I'll take the LED out of there, so I can just solder it directly onto there. Yeah, we'll do that just for something to do. Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.